Are you bored of busy, consistent hi-hats? Me too. Let's play something else. Here's how you play that. If you've never ventured outside of the 8th note, 16th note box, then this might be a bit of a challenge for you. For stability, hold on to beat 1 and 3 in the kick drum. Instead of it all coming from your right hand, focus on 1 and 3. Basically, this whole groove is 1, a 3, 4, 1, 2, a 3, 4. That's it. 1, 2, a 3, 4. But we've got hi-hats on the E of 1 and the and of 2. 1 E, 2 and 3 E, 4 and E, 2 and a 3 E, 4. Break it down real slow, put on a 16th note metronome if you want. Warning you now, this is obnoxious.
1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and
And maybe a bit fast.
1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and
You get the picture. If you want to get really spicy with it, try moving that first E hi-hat to an Filth! And remember, you can put this in wherever you want. So if you're doing busy stuff and you want it to break down for a sec,